Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will further work on our Waypoint Manager window script, okay? So what we're gonna do is right here we're gonna make a reference to a transform, okay? And let's name this as Waypoint Origin, okay? And as you guessed it by the name, it will be the Waypoint Origin, okay? We will create a game object and name it as AI character waypoint, and then we're gonna assign that game object to this, okay? And then when we assign it, we will then start creating waypoints inside this waypoint origin, okay? So after this, create a onGUI method in which we're gonna create a serialized object, name this as obj, and this is gonna be equals to new serialized object, this, okay? Then we're gonna say editor GUI layout dot property field. In here we will say obj dot find property, and we're gonna pass this name in here, okay? And then we're gonna say if the waypoint origin is null, then we're gonna show a message in the window that please assign a waypoint origin transform, okay? So editor GUI layout dot help box, and in here type please assign a waypoint origin transform, okay? And then we're gonna set the message type to warning, and else if the waypoint origin is assigned, then as you know that we're gonna then start creating waypoints, okay? So for that we're gonna say editor GUI dot begin vertical, we want to create a button. So right here we're gonna call a method which will be by the name of create buttons, but for now we don't have this, so don't worry about it, okay? We will create this method. Right here just simply type editor GUI layout dot end vertical, that's it. After this on GUI, let's create this method which is create buttons, okay? In here let's create a button, so we're gonna say GUI layout dot button, name this as create waypoint, okay? And when this button is pressed, we're gonna create a waypoint, but for now we're gonna leave a comment and add a if condition to this, okay? So if this button is pressed, we're gonna create a waypoint, okay? And right here change this from editor GUI to editor GUI layout, and save the script, get back right here. And as you can see, we can't see our button, not the transform. It is due to this, so make sure that it is on GUI in capital. That's it. If you save the game and get back right here, you will notice that right here it says please assign a waypoint origin transform, okay? And now for example, if we create an empty game object right here, okay, let's move it to the ground, for example right here, okay? This will be the sidewalk area, So I'm gonna do it right here, move it to the ground. That's it. Now name this as waypoint origin or AI character waypoint origin. Okay, drag and drop it in there. And as you can see, we can't drag and drop it because we are not updating the property. Okay, so in order to do that, right here at the bottom, now you need to type obj dot apply modified properties. And then if we get back right here, as you can see, it is showing this warning. But now if we drag and drop this, as you can see, it shows this create waypoint button. And now we will be able to create waypoint in here. Okay, but for that we have to type a method so that we can be able to create waypoints inside this origin one by one.